Don't open that email. Here's why. Ever gotten an email that looked completely real but made you feel uneasy? Maybe it said your bank account was compromised or offered a special deal that seemed too good to be true? You're not alone. Phishing emails are one of the easiest ways hackers trick people into giving up their passwords or personal information. The problem is, phishing emails are becoming more sophisticated every day. Hackers use real logos, official-looking messages, and even fake links that look genuine. One wrong click can put your email, social media, or even bank accounts at risk. In this video, I'll show you how to stop phishing emails before they harm you, so you can protect yourself, your data, and your devices. Stay with me to the end, because these tips are easy to follow and work for both computers and mobile devices. Here's how to defend yourself. First, verify the sender. Check the email address carefully. Hackers often use addresses that look similar to real ones, but have small changes, like extra letters or numbers. Second, don't click suspicious links. Hover over the link to see where it really goes before clicking. If it looks strange or unfamiliar, don't risk it. Third, avoid opening unexpected attachments. Even if the email looks legitimate, attachments can carry malware. Only open attachments you were expecting from trusted sources. Fourth, enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. This adds an extra layer of protection. So even if a hacker gets your password, they can't access your account without the second verification step. Fifth, use email filters and report phishing. Most email providers let you mark messages as phishing. This helps block future attempts and alerts the provider to suspicious activity. Even with these protections, hackers still rely on manipulation to trick users, not just technical exploits. That's why it's also important to watch our videos on strong passwords and keeping your software updated. Because a phishing email, combined with a weak password or outdated system, is the easiest way in. And don't forget to check out our video on 6 secrets hackers don't want you to know. Understanding how hackers think will give you an extra layer of protection and keep you one step ahead. Here's a question for you. Which phishing trick do you think is the sneakiest, and how would you avoid it? Share your answer in the comments below. Your insight could help someone else stay safe. If you found this video helpful, like it. Share it to help a friend stay safe online. Subscribe if you haven't already for more beginner-friendly cybersecurity tips.